is 4.2. Now my voice is audible to you? And screen is also clear? Screen is also clear? Okay. So the question number 1 is, which of the following option is true and why? Y is equal to 3x plus 5. Y is equal to 3x plus 5. First, a unique solution, only 2 solutions, and third one is infinite many solution. Which option is correct? Infinite many solution. ओके, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में क्या है कि आपको एक इक्वेशन दिया था y इज इक्वल टू 3x प्लस 5. y इज इक्वल टू 3x प्लस 5. यहाँ से we can see कि अगर we change the value of x then we will get different value of y. तो जब हम x की वैल्यू चेंज करेंगे we get different value of y. तब हमें different value y की मिलती जाएगी. इस तरह से we get infinite many solution. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. मैम इसमें जो रीजन हमें बताना है, मैम तो हमें इसका रीजन बताना है, तो उसमें और लिखूंगा ना कि infinitely many solutions because for every value of x there is a corresponding value of y.
Yes, correct.
And it's same vice versa.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, that if we change the value of x, the value of y also varies.
The second question, write 4 solutions for each of the following equation. Okay, you have to write 4 solutions of this equation. It means you just put the value of x and find the value of y. X is equal to 0. Then y is equal to 7. This is the first value. If we take x is equal to 1, then y is equal to what?
5.
Good. 5. First value, second value. If we take x is equal to 2, 2 into x plus y is equal to 7. Put the value of x here. 2 into 1 plus y is equal to 7. Y is equal to 7 minus 2 becomes 5. Now clear?
Yes.
Again, take the value.
आप मेरा देख पा रहे हो?
Yes. Again, put the value of. Yes. 3. Then y equals to what? 2x plus y is equal to 7. 2 into 3 plus y is equal to 7. Y is equal to 1. So how many values we get? First value, second value.
Actually, total 4 values we get. Y is equal to 7, y is equal to 5, y is equal to 1, and y is equal to, but I'm not able to read the fourth one.
Okay, good.
Y is equal to, third one is y is equal to 3.
Now the second part. Second question, second part. The equation is pi x plus y is equal to 9. Okay. Now put the value of x. Firstly, x equals to 0. Then y equals to what? If we put x equal to 0 in this equation, then what we get the value of y? 9. Good.
9.
Now this is the first value. Second, if we put the value of x equals to 1, 5. Now again x equals to 2.
Ma'am, then 9 minus 2 pi.
9 minus 2 pi.
2 pi.
How many values we get? 1, 2 and 3. The last one.
3.
X equals to
Ma'am, we want to get that one left.
x equals to 4, 3. Now put x equals to 3. Then y equals to 9 minus 3y.
3 pi.
Yes.
9
These,
minus 3 pi.
yes, these are the values. It is clear to you?
Ma'am, your voice is not audible again.
Now students, it is clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the question number 3rd. बेटा रेस्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चन आप खुद से कीजिएगा. द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3rd इज check which of the following are solution of the equation x minus 2y is equal to 4 and which are not. X okay. The next question is check which of the following are solution of the equation x minus 2y is equal to 4. Okay, and which are not. ठीक है, यहाँ पे कुछ कोऑर्डिनेट्स की वैल्यू दी हुई है, यानी कि अब्सीसा और ऑर्डिनेट आपको गिवन है.
Voice is not audible.
अब्सीसा और ऑर्डिनेट्स आपको गिवन है. ठीक है, और आपको सेटिस्फाइड करना है इस इक्वेशन को कि ये ऑर्डिनेट सेटिस्फाइड कर रहे हैं या नहीं कर रहे हैं. ओके,
आप पहला वाला x और दूसरा वाला y लेना है.
यस. फर्स्ट हमेशा अब्सीसा होता है, दैट इज 0 एंड 2. अब्सीसा किसे होता है बेटा? कोऑर्डिनेट मैंने आपको पढ़ा दिया है. फर्स्ट हमेशा x, यस x जो हमेशा फर्स्ट होता है, और सेकंड क्या होता है? y, दैट इज ऑर्डिनेट. ठीक है, नाउ पुट both the values in this equation.
Ma'am, I have solved till third. Can you see mine?
Yes, I can see.
So, ma'am, is it right?
Yes. X equal to 0 minus 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Minus 4 becomes is not equal to minus 4. This coordinate is not satisfied the equation. Satisfied कर रहा है बेटा?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No.
Ma'am, can you please answer? Is it right? The solution I have done?
Two comma 0 is not a solution of the equation. Is it? है ना? ये 2 comma 0 is not the solution of the equation. Now the second point.
Ma'am, I request you to please check the answer.
Okay, wait. Beta, you can set on WhatsApp also, na? not a solution
solution for the given equation.
of the equation. Now the third one. The third one is
4, 0.
4, 0. Now put both the values in the given equation. 4 minus 2 into 0 is equal to 4. We can see here LHS is equal to RHS.
Equals to 0.
So 4, 0 is a solution for the given equation. Okay? What? Third one. How? 4, 0. 4 is your abscissa and 0 is your ordinate. We are going to put both the points in the given equation. In place of x, we put 4, and in place of y, we put 0. The 2 multiplied 0 becomes 0. 4 is equal to 4. So 4, 0 is a solution for the given equation. Now it's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Third, fourth part. The fourth part is root 2, 4 root 2. Now put both the values in the given equation. Root 2 plus root 2 minus 4 into 4 root 2 is equal to 4. Root 2 minus 8 root 2 is equal to 4. 7. Yes, it is not equal. So this coordinate is not the solution of the equation. Yes. Yes. The given equation is x minus 2y is equal to 4. The coordinate is minus root 2 comma 4 root 2, where root 2 is the value of x and 4 root 2 is the value of y. Now put both the values in the given equation. x की वैल्यू क्या हो गई? रूट 2 हमने पुट कर दिया माइनस 2 y की वैल्यू क्या है? 4 रूट 2 है. 4 रूट 2 y के प्लेस पे सेट किया इज इक्वल टू 4. Now root 2 minus 4 into 2 into 4 becomes 8. Root 2 is equal to 7. Minus 8 root 2 plus root 2 becomes minus 7 root 2, which is not equal to 4. So root 2 and 4 root 2 is not a solution for the given equation. Now fifth one you can do it yourself. आप अपने से कीजिएगा fifth वाला part. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. You can see on the screen.
Okay. Now the question number 4. The question number 4 is find the value of k. Find the value of k if x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is a solution of the equation. Equation is given to you 2x plus 3y is equal to k and x equals to 2 and y equals to 1 is a solution of the given equation.
Yes, ma'am. I am showing on the screen also. 7 is the answer.
Equation. ठीक है बेटा, x equals to 2 और y equals to 1 is the solution of the given equation. मीनिंग क्या हुआ कि मतलब ये दोनों जो वैल्यूज है इस इक्वेशन को क्या करेंगी, सेटिस्फाइड करेंगी. इस इक्वेशन का सॉल्यूशन होगा. नाउ पुट yes now put both the values in the given equation. 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 is equal to k. 2 2s are 4 plus 3. 2 plus 4 2 2s are 4 plus 3 is equal to k. K is equal to 7. The value of k is 7. Now clear?
You turn on the incoming video call and then there is an option for back camera on the video call only. Then you do back camera and show.
Student, any doubt from exercise 4.2? Then you can ask me here.
No, ma'am.
No doubts.
Ma'am, now graph of a linear equation in 2 variables.
Yes. बेटा आज मैं थोड़ा सा इसका इंट्रोडक्शन आपको दे रही हूँ. मंडे को मैं फिर से और अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करूँगी. ठीक है
Ma'am, it was not hear you.
students? Today I am going to teach you this graph of a linear equation to variable in a short pattern. ठीक है, इसको मैं बस थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन करूँगी. On Monday I am explain it again. Okay? Graph of a linear equation in 2 variables. X plus 2y is equal to 6. How many solutions of this equation? Firstly tell me this. इस equation के कितने solution हो सकते हैं? Infinite many solutions. And you know that this is the equation of line also. अगर आप इसकी plot करने के बाद different value, like अगर हम यहाँ पर प्लॉट करें, x की वैल्यू फाइंड करें, लाइक x y. If we put the value of x is equal to 0, then what is the value of y? It's 3. होगा बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Now if we put the value of x is equal to 2, then what is the value of y? It's again 2. होगा? Okay. Now if I put the value of x is equal to -2, then the value of y is 4. Now plot these points on the Cartesian plane. Okay?
Ma'am, what is this Cartesian plane? Ma'am, this is we call it as Cartesian plane. Brother, this is Cartesian plane. Ma'am has told in coordinate geometry about it so much. How can you?
This is your origin. Okay? -1, -2, -3, -1.
We will take them as the coordinate. Like
Yes.
the value of x, y.
this point. ठीक है? Now the value of x is 2 and we get the value of y is also 2 here. यहाँ. Then again the value of x is minus 2 here and the value of y is 4 यहाँ पे. ठीक है? यहाँ अगर हम इसे एक लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे तो we get a straight line. हमें किस तरह की लाइन मिली? Which type of line we find? Straight line. Okay? So linear equation in two variable का जो equation होता है, that is the equation of line also. समझ में आया या नहीं समझ में आया? Got it? अच्छे से? Any doubt?
No ma'am.
तो लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल का आप यही इक्वेशन होता है ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This equation is the equation of straight line also. ठीक है? It's clear? Now अब solution of the equation की बात करते हैं. 1 minute. Solution of the equation. ये लाइन जिस पॉइंट से जाएगा that all points are the solution of this equation. जैसे ये लाइन यहाँ पर भी इसे मूव किया तो ये जो कोऑर्डिनेट है, इस कोऑर्डिनेट का जो अब्सिसा और कोऑर्डिनेट होगा वो इस इक्वेशन को क्या करेगा? सेटिस्फाई करेगा. इट मींस कि सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द इक्वेशन होगा. इट्स क्लियर?
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ask me your question.
Ma'am, I'm asking that from where did you draw the line? Means from 3 to where? And why did you take the 3?
Where here?
Yes ma'am.
बेटा अगर हम x की वैल्यू 0 रखेंगे, x की वैल्यू आप यहाँ 0 रखो तो y की वैल्यू आपको क्या मिलेगी?
3.
तो इसलिए मैंने यहाँ 3 रखा. फिर आप x की कोई भी डिफरेंट वैल्यू
No
रखो.
ma'am. I was asking that from where did you draw the line? From 3 to where?
3. This is the point 3. X is 0 and y is 3. Okay?